I'm here today to pick up my GT3 that I just got a Manthey Kit for. Just having a GT3, it is already such a perfect car for me, because it combines the ability to take the car and enjoy it every day on the street. As you know, if you want it to be a daily driver, it can be. If you want to take it on long drives, you can. But at the same time, this is the car that I can also take to the racetrack and really find the limits of this car, enjoy its performance. I'm here to get the Manthey Kit because I want to see, can we take this to the next level, specifically on the racetrack, but without sacrificing the daily enjoyment that I can have with this car, without making it too much for the street.
Some sort of pain, you caused a permanent stain, which has determined your fate. I've never seen so clear, I feel the end and it's near. The day of reckoning's here, the sound of deafening fear. Hidden inside of this vessel, that shit is so exponential. I need a first class ticket to the top, no limit. I don't play no gimmicks, I'ma take you to the clinic. If you want a taste, come at me and you will be replaced. They won't find a trace of you anywhere or any place. You don't die if you try, you just might get in a bit of trouble,
Because a GT3, it is that great combination of a street car and a race car. It will make the car perform better on the racetrack, but not sacrifice your daily driving on the streets. That's what I was looking for, and that's why I got the Manthey some sort of pain, you caused a permanent stain, which has determined your fate. I've never seen so clear, I feel the end and it's near. The day of reckoning's here, the sound of deafening fear. You don't die if you try, you just might get in a bit of trouble, right in your side, you will never see me coming. You don't die if you try, you just might get in a bit of trouble, right in your side, you will never see me. My energy is next level, so damn you better be careful. I got an angel and devil, he stabs me straight in the temple. I'm ready to be a rebel, I've got a lot of potential hidden inside of this vessel. That shit is so exponential. I need a first class ticket to the top, no limit. I don't play no gimmicks, I'ma take you to the clinic. If you want a taste, come at me and you will be replaced. They won't find a trace of you anywhere or any place. You don't die if you try, you just might get in a bit of trouble, right in your side, you will never see me coming. You don't die if you try, you just might get in a bit of trouble,
Please remember to like and subscribe to our channel.